If you're encountering the matchmaking error 2025 in Overwatch 2, follow these simple steps to resolve the issue and get back into the game. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Overwatch 2 website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Overwatch 2 completely and restart it. This can help refresh the connection and may resolve any temporary glitches causing the error. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates on your gaming platform and install them, as updates often fix bugs and improve matchmaking. Step 4. Reset network connection. Disconnect your internet connection and then reconnect it. This can help clear any network issues that might be affecting your ability to connect to the matchmaking servers. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the error persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Overwatch 2. This could fix corrupted files that may be causing the matchmaking error. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the matchmaking error and enjoy your gaming experience. If issues continue, consider reaching out to Blizzard support for further assistance.